Hi guys, welcome to Printride. I'm your host Sanveer, and today we came up with a new printing topic. We'll be printing cotton bags. You can see there are lots of cotton bags, and we'll be printing in our semi-automatic machine. So this is the video. So we have already done the screen. You have seen the screen is done. It is attached, and we'll put the ink and start printing the bags. So guys, this is a normal printing video with our new machine, semi-automatic machine. So guys, you will enjoy it. So you'll see how we print cotton bags and how we do the printing in our semi-automatic machine. So guys, without any delay, let's start the video. And before starting the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. And if you are very new, then don't forget to subscribe. It's must. And do give us some support and motivation by sharing our video and giving some good comments, and press the bell icon for further notification. And if you want to purchase this type of items, or if you want to start printing business, feel free to call the number given in the screen, and also visit our website printride.com. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, you have seen how we have done the work. We completed 20 bags in 3 minutes, no cut, no edit. We have done 3 minutes exactly. No, I'm not telling you we have done less than that. 3 minutes we took to do 20 bags one side. So this side we have not done, one side 3 minutes. So might be someone will do more faster than this. It all depends on your skill and work. So it's all up to you. And many people think that it will touch your hand. It won't touch. It is enough big. You can take it out and take the item out in easily. So guys, you can see how we have done the print with this machine. Okay. So these 20 prints are done. So it was very nice and fun for us, and you also will love it once you do printing with this machine. So we'll come with the next time with the next topic and some more to learn in printing. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do comment us. If we forgot something, we might forget something, we'll try to reply you. in our next video or will comment. So guys, as I always tell, stay safe, stay tuned, see you soon. Bye bye.